All right, guys, welcome to the Buscemi family channel. So right behind me, you can see that we have the EcoSmart Fireplace. It's really a beautiful unit. My wife did a marble finish around it. It's gorgeous, but we had a power outage the other day. And when we had a power outage, the controller stopped working. So take a look, it's on right now. I'm clicking it off, nothing's happening. Also, it goes from an orange flame to a blue flame, and the way that you would change the color is by hitting the color button. That's not working. So I'm gonna show you how to pair the device or repair the device if for some reason it gets disconnected. Check it out. All right, guys, so you can see we have our unit here. This is a custom-made built-in unit, and we built in the main controls to the EcoSmart Fireplace right here. Okay, you could see it's on, heat control, what does that say? Flame dimmer, right? But you can't control the color from here. So I need to repair this device. The way that you repair it is, first thing you do is turn it off. Now you can see it's off. You wait 30 seconds, and then once that 30 seconds is up, I'm gonna show you what to do. All right, guys, so here we are 30 seconds later. The fireplace is off, as you can see. And now, since it's been off for 30 seconds, the way that you pair the remote control to the main unit is hold the on and off button on the controller, and you're gonna hold the on and off button on the unit. Once you do that, you can see it is now paired. Also, the color can now change, and now I'm able to go back and forth between the blue and the orange flame. My remote control is now paired. Hope this helps. EcoSmart, excellent product. We love it. It adds a lot of ambiance to the house. I have not seen one video of anyone showing you how to pair the controller of the EcoSmart to the fireplace. So I figured this would be helpful. Thanks so much.